Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your speaker Edifier D32 to the application. In the previous video we installed and set up the application, so if you don't know how to do this, you can check video at this channel. Now let's move to adding this speaker to the app, and firstly we need to pair it with a phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and if you have Android you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have it, so maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just enter to the Bluetooth. After that we need to turn on the speaker, so on the front side at the bottom we have power button. You need to press and hold it until you will see the LED light. We have it, and make sure that you have the blue. If you have the red, green or white, you need to press the power button to swap between this mode, and you need to find a blue one. After that, press and hold at the Bluetooth button. Here we go, and we just enter to pairing mode. Then tap at your speaker at the device list, and we just pair it. Now you can hide the settings and open Edifier Connect app. And right here, as you can see, it automatically found this speaker. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!